Oh, we have something very special for you here today. This is a 2013 XC90 SE Lux D5 all-wheel drive Geartronic in ice white with off-black soft leather. This is a one-owner car from new with full dealer service history, and it has only done 35,000 miles. Extremely low mileage for a 10-year-old car. I'll walk around the car initially and then we'll go into a bit more detail. It's virtually unmarked. Those with a keen eye might see the Polestar badge on the back there. That means the power has been optimized on this car from 200 brake horsepower to 210, but the main benefit is you've got a lot more torque. You've got another 40 newton meters of torque mid-range, so makes it ideal for towing or just overtaking, general performance. You'll see here it has got detachable tow bar with a cover on it there at the moment. So we'll walk around the car. Absolutely clean as a whistle. Cleanest one we've seen for a while. Very tidy car indeed. And I'll take you round, show you the inside. It's got front parking sensors on this one as well, which would have been an option at the time. Mud flaps on the front. We'll look inside. Take you in here. Here we are. The centre booster seat on this one is now in the raised position. As you can see, these seats, you know, they're absolutely like new. We have one in the up position, the other one's down currently. Power seat, of course. So this lovely detail stitching. Just lovely soft leather. It's not been abused at all. Start it up. There we are. 35,000 miles. That's all it's done. Super low miles. Cruise control, of course. Bluetooth phone controls are there. You see heated seats. Active xenon cornering headlights. Also fold the mirrors in there. Dual zone climate control, of course. This one's got sat nav as well. Just a beautiful car, really. Very nice indeed. You know, this is a bit of a rarity. You know, you'd be pushed to find another one of these now with this sort of mileage on it. So there we go. Obviously, and then the beauty of these is you have extra space at the back here between the back of the seat and the back of the car, so you've still got space even if you've got the 7 seats up, you know, back 2 seats up. You still have extra capacity for shopping, little bikes, buggies, pushchairs, whatever, which you don't get, I would say, well in fact I know, you don't get in any other similar 4x4 7-seater, such as Discovery or whatever. And of course you've got the added reliability with one of these too. So there we are, 2013 XC90 You can reserve this car online if you wish at seymourhorwell.com. £99, or reserve it for 24 hours, and we look forward to hearing from you.